and welcome to Kahoot. Today, I would like to show you how to add images as answers. Images can be added to the answer fields in various question types, such as quiz questions, poll questions, and puzzle questions. When editing one of these question types, let's choose a quiz question. Use the image button located on the right of the answer field. This allows you to upload an image from your device or choose one from the Kahoot library. It's important to keep in mind that the size of the image uploaded as an answer is limited, meaning it's best not to use highly detailed pictures. And that's all there is to it. Let me show you another example just in case. Yes, it's truly that simple. Enjoy creating your Kahoots and happy Kahooting!